For the last part of your oral test, Mr. G wants you to read some words, phrases, and sentences. Okay? Daichi, how do you read this?
Hand, bat, map, red, hen, tail.
Okay, good job. Next, I want you to read some phrases and sentences. You say the number first.
Number one, a bat, red. Number two, a cat on the bed. Number three, one hen in the pen. Number four,
The
the mat is wet. Number five, cat is on the bed.
Okay, good job, Daichi. So that's the end of your oral test. Congratulations. Very good. Now, time to say goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye and thank you, Mr. G.
Okay.